has read. No, you can't dictate to me. The honorable members, the winter session of the August House, this is not going on record. This concludes today. I am not happy to share with you the House function much below its potential. I urge all of you to collectively and individually reflect and introspect if this session could have been different and better. I don't want to speak elaborately on the course of this session, as it would lead to me to make a very critical review. Statistics regarding various aspects of functioning of the House during this session will be released to media to wider dissemination. I wish you all Merry Christmas, happy, healthy and prosperous English New Year, and also realization of what has happened is wrong, and we should all work towards constructive, positive atmosphere for the larger interest of the country. My greetings of for Sankranti, Pongal and other functions. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Rulings, regulations and procedure, precedents, decency and decorum has to be maintained. The House is adjourned to meet at before I adjourn the House, Vande Mataram.